We got the white gauge seal going in, and we got the red iron coming in. Oh no. Yeah, that thing's, it's amazing what you can do with that lull right there.
Yeah, this one here does
everything. All right, I'm getting ready to put this beam in, so that'll be good. We'll truss systems. Nice and smooth. Got this wall up already. Coming along.